Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to continue with the chapter data handling. In my previous video, I have explained you the meaning of data and how to collect the information from the given question or the information that is given to you from there, how to take out the answer to the respective questions. So let us try today two different types of varieties of questions rather than the figure, because in my previous video I have explained you data handling by giving you a picture of a scenery, and from there different shapes were to find out how many shapes are there, what type of plane shapes are used, how many numbers of triangles or square or circles are used in that picture, what figures are used in that picture, which is the maximum number, which is the minimum number. So those types of questions can be framed in from a scenery picture. But today in the data handling, I have framed you some questions on the board. We will discuss one by one. So from here also we will have the idea that this type of question can also be framed from data handling. So let us discuss one by one. So the first question, write two words without vowels. Now you are asked a simple question that to write any two words without vowel. That means you are supposed to answer two words where vowels are not used. We know that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. You may be asked how many vowels are there, how many consonants are there. Okay, name them. So these are also the part of data handling. So now here you are asked to write two words without vowels. That means the two words where you will not use these A, E, I, O, U. You are not going to use these 5 letters. So what can be? We can say CRY cry, FLY fly. So these are the two words which does not have vowels in them. CRY cry, they are all consonants, and FLY fly, they are 3 are consonants. No vowels are used in these words. Next one, let us go to the next question. How many S are there in the word scissors? In the given word, now this type of questions are very common to come. Any word will be given to you, and from there you have to find out the given question. So here the word scissors are given, and here how many times the letter S is used. So let us find out. See, S, 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 S. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times S is used in the word scissors. So the answer will be only 4. We will write the answer here. Next one, answer 3. The next question, name the longest month of the year. Now we know that there are 12 months in a year. So if you are reading January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So in these 12 months, which is the longest month? That means spelling wise. Longest, because some are having 31 days, some are having 30 days. So not the date wise. You have to see the spelling of the months. So among them, which is the longest month of the year? Now the answer will be September. So September. Now how many alphabets are used here in the word September? you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 alphabets are used to write the spelling September. Now if you think December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, it is used 8. In the word December, there are 8 alphabets, but the longest one is September. Here 9 alphabets are used to write down the spelling. So let us read the next question. Number 4. Name the months having 5 letters. Months, that means more than 1. The answer there will be more than 1 because it is in months having 5 letters. See, like September has 9 letters. June, J-U-N-E, June. So it has 4 letters. Now you may be asked, name the month having 4 letters. Here you are asked, name the months having 5 letters. So which are the months having 5 letters? March and April. See, March, M-A-R-C-H, A-P-R-I-L. So the 2 months are March and April. March and April are the 2 months having 5 letters in it. And the 4 months I told, the month having 4 letters, that is June. Okay. And May has 3 letters. M-A-Y. May has 3 letters. June has 4 letters. March and April has 5 letters. Okay. Now, next one, the word Acme Academy. The word Acme Academy has how many vowels? So how many vowels are used here? See, A is used, E is used. How many vowels are used? That means 2. Here A is used. Okay, if you are reducing the question, the word acme or the word academy, you may make it acme. The word acme has how many vowels? So A and E. The 2 vowels are used here. So we can make it here the answer 2. Now, next question. Name 3 animals with 3 letters. You have to answer, you have to tell names of any 3 animals with 3 letters. Names having spellings with 3 letters. See, very easy. The pet animals at your home, they are only having 3 letters name. Dog, cat. Another one, that is domestic animal, cow. They are having all 3 letters. Even pig, P-I-G, pig, they also have 3. Fox, F-O-X, fox, because here it is told any 3 animals. It is not told that pet animals or domestic animals or wild animals. Remember this. If this question was name 2 animals with 3 letters, then the answer will be only dog and cat. But here it is written only animals, not pet dog, pet, wild or domestic. So any names you can give. Fox, 3 letters, then pig, 3 letters, then owl, O-W-L, owl, 3 letters, dog, cat, cow. So we are going to use these 3. So answer will be cat, dog and cow. Now number 7. The word Sunday has how many letters? The word Sunday, you may be asked, vowels you are asked, you may be asked how many consonants are there. So you have to be very specific and very serious when you are doing the data handling questions. So the word Sunday has how many letters? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 letters are there in the word Sunday. So I hope you have got a conception of data handling and now you can solve the questions. Thank you children.